Spend just 5 minutes listening, and before you know it, that specific person might be getting in touch via call or text. Give it a try now and watch the enchantment begin. Hello, everyone. I'm Emily, your inner alchemist. I've had the privilege of guiding individuals across more than 75 countries, and I'm here to support you too. Don't forget to explore our channel, where you'll discover tools designed to invite the wealth, love, energy, and success you deserve. Dear radiant souls, if you've ever wished for a call or text from that special person, this video is made just for you. The best part is, there's no need for extra effort. Simply set aside any other methods and let this video work its magic. The wonderful thing about this method is that you can revisit this video anytime you desire that special call or text. It's about releasing any resistance and welcoming gratitude, trusting that your unique, specific person will connect with you, be it through a call or text message. When you live in a state of love and appreciation, as if that communication is already here, you're naturally inviting it in. So for today, let go of other techniques and focus solely on this one. It's about letting go, finding calm, trusting the process, and being open to all that comes your way. Picture the joy when that specific person reaches out, whether through a call or a text, and soon you're sharing more meaningful moments together. Instead of a one-time text message, your unique person will keep coming back, drawn by the sincere love and gratitude you naturally radiate. Now, choose a quiet spot where you can relax without any interruptions. Ensure you're not driving and that your phone is off, so you can completely immerse yourself in this video. If you're ready, take a slow, gentle breath in through your nose for 3 seconds. Then gradually exhale through your mouth for 6 seconds. With each breath, feel your body loosen and your muscles relax, inviting a soothing wave of calm and peace. Now, let go of every doubt, anxiety, worry, and fear. Allow them to drift away, making room for a profound sense of calm, relaxation, and peace to surround you, as you trust that everything is perfectly falling into place in your favor. Imagine an uplifting sensation where every aspect of your life starts to radiate joy. There's no need to force a smile. Simply let it emerge naturally, confident that everything is aligning perfectly, especially with that special person. As I share these soothing affirmations, let them echo softly in your mind. Embrace each one fully, trust in their power, and allow them to settle deep in your heart. I feel immense joy every time I know my cherished one has reached out, whether by call or text. Doesn't that thought wrap you in a comforting warmth? I truly treasure that delightful feeling, the surge of gratitude when your specific person reaches out right away, a clear sign of their heartfelt care. Deep down, trust that they genuinely value you and you feel it too. I appreciate how they consistently reply to my calls and texts, making me feel both cherished and respected. My heart overflows with thankfulness for the steady, loving bond we share. And when that instant text message arrives, it feels nothing short of magical. I'm incredibly thankful for that special person who now always puts our bond first, reaching out through calls and texts, each one brimming with genuine care and attention. Every time my specific person, my cherished one, gets in touch, my heart overflows with gratitude. It serves as a constant reminder of their enduring presence and unwavering commitment to our love. I'm deeply thankful for the unwavering dependability of my special person. Their prompt, caring responses always bring a soothing comfort. Each message fills my life with radiant warmth, uplifting positivity, profound love, and boundless joy. Every time they reach out, be it a text, call, or any sign of connection, my heart fills with gratitude as I see every part of my life growing stronger and more vibrant. It's truly amazing how swiftly our bond deepens. I can hardly believe how quickly everything unfolds. Yes, it really happens in an instant. Now, radiant souls, just take a moment to relax. Inhale deeply, and when you feel ready, gently open your eyes, knowing that everything you needed has already been taken care of. And if you haven't seen that call or text while watching, rest assured it's on its way very soon. I have complete trust in it. I invite you to hold that same confidence for yourself. Also, be sure to check out our next video, where I'll share 5 powerful mental scenes that can draw your specific person even closer. These techniques truly work, and they're coming up next.